Hello and welcome to this lecture on creating a bar chart with Python. Let's get right to it. The first order of business is to import the libraries we'll need to create our bar chart. The two essential packages for us are Pandas and Matplotlib. Let's import Pandas as PD. Pandas is a widely used library for data analysis and is what we'll rely on for handling our data. Dataset isn't in the same directory as your Jupyter notebook, you'll need to specify the exact file location. For instance, if I were to use the exact path, my code would look like this. Here, it is important to indicate the path with forward slashes between the folder names. This is counterintuitive, as the path locations in your Windows or Mac are always specified with backward slashes. However, in Python, We'll overwrite the matplotlib look with sns.set to take advantage of the Seaborn styling. In essence, this will allow us to code the graphs in matplotlib, but they will be displayed with what some call the much superior Seaborn look. Alright, it's time to put it to test by rerunning the last cell of code. Tremendous! Moving forward, we'll be sticking with the Seaborn visuals in the majority of cases. What's next on the agenda? Generally, data visualizations convey insights through shape and color. While the shape is somewhat restricted by the nature of the data, the color is up to us. Nonetheless, choosing a color for our visualizations is of utmost importance and should be thought through carefully. In matplotlib, we can change the colors of our plot by adding a color argument. Furthermore, we can choose a color name from a predefined color list available in the Seaborn library. Seaborn recognizes over 100 color names, starting from the basic ones such as title, and in brackets, specify the desired title. Cars listings by brand has a nice ring to it. Note that you need to put that in quotation marks so that Python knows that it is a string. Let's examine the result. While we've successfully placed a title on top, it is a bit small compared to the rest of the graph. But no worries, everything in Python is customizable. We can increase the font size by adding an extra argument, and then specify a font size of 16. We could also add a font weight argument and set it to bold. Here, we could also do with a y-axis label. To add one, we just write plt.ylabel. Easily achieved with the savefig method. In the brackets, we need to specify the name and file format. In our case, it will be a PNG, so we'll have usedcarsbar.png. And that's it. Great job, everyone! I'll see you next time. And thanks for watching!